Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Gherkin the Lurkin YouTube channel. This is another video in the 10 pieces series. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a crate complete with money and gold using only 10 pieces or less. This is exactly 10 pieces this time. But before we get into it, don't forget to watch all the other ones in the 10 pieces playlist and subscribe. Anyway, now onto the actual building. This is everything you need. It's everything you see in front of you. You can substitute the colours for this crate, this plate, and these chains. These are the only colours I currently have available to me. Anyway, now what your first step is, grab your crate, flip it over, and take your gold studs or whatever colour studs. Preferably have them matching to the colour of the chains. And place them on like so. Now step number one's done. Now grab your chains and place them like this. So now you've got kind of like, hold on. Now you got the 4 legs of a table, I guess. 4 legs of it. Now flip it over. And just throw the money and the gold in. And now you can just grab this plate and fix it on top. Now what you can also do is you can add the chains. That's what it's for. Let me just show you what it looks like. And that's what it looks like with the chains on. As you can see, the chains actually don't have very little movement that they'll give. And now with this, what you can do is you can create really good stop motions, like the one you should see now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, which will make you join the Gherkin Jar by subscribing. Watch all the other videos in my 10 piece playlist and have a good day. See ya!